Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video I'm going to talk about connecting a computer to the internet using a USB cable and a mobile phone. Some time ago, I found myself in a situation where I had left my USB network card at home and the office internet was also down. As a result, I couldn't connect to the internet either via Wi-Fi or through a network cable. That's when the thought came to my mind, is it possible to connect the computer to the internet through my mobile phone using the USB cable? And I saw that yes, there is a solution. All you need to do is connect your mobile phone to your computer with a USB cable. It doesn't matter if you have Android or Apple. Now in your mobile settings, search for the term tethering, which means sharing internet. In the options, enable USB tethering. On your desktop, you will receive this message. Confirm it, and this way the USB cable will provide a network connection instead of just sharing files. Hope you find this useful and make magic with your projects.